Good morning. I am Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and we've had a few hot days here, and now today it's chilly, but it's beautiful out just the same. And today I am working on Margarete Miller's collage assignment number 24, and we need something from the recycle bin. And in honor of Pride Month, I decided to take this clipping out of our local newspaper because there was a wedding in our city, in the park, and so I thought we could use that, but I'm going to put a background there. Bottle or glass, I have this three bottles of wine, or I don't know what it is. I'm not a wine drinker or champagne drinker or anything. And then I have these 3 bottles of wine, but I think these might be too big. And then, I don't know, they don't take up that much more space than these actually. But we'll see. So either one of these will be my bottle or glass and set of 3. So I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. A favorite food. Now, I do love me a good salad and fresh vegetables. Actually, if I'm honest, my really favorite food is pizza, but I cannot eat pizza anymore, and I don't even have any pictures of pizza. So I decided to go for my next favorite, and that would be fresh raw veggies. So maybe they're serving a salad at their wedding, and then along with the 3 bottles of wine, and then I have to have my text, and I thought this Japanese was pretty, but I don't know how I'm going to incorporate that in there. And wrapping paper. I have a bunch of wrapping paper books. This one is from, I have a little tomato too. This one is from China. My daughter brought that. I don't think I see anything that I would like to use as my background in this book. I also have this one. It's just gift wrap for any occasion. And I kind of like this one for the background maybe. I was really thinking a rainbow background would be nice, but I don't have any rainbow wrapping paper. I have a Van Gogh, which may be something like this because it was in the park. And then I have this one, but I don't think this would be good. And then I have these marbled papers. So I don't know. I think probably I'm going to go ahead and go with that. No, not this one. Okay. I'm going to drop everything here. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this as my background. And I'll get that all cut out and come back. Alright, so I have my background down. And now I have my couple. I really kind of feel like this is just too big. Maybe I'll just put it in the corner, or I don't know. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this, but I'm going to kind of fussy cut around these veggies down on the bottom a little bit. And I think it'll look prettier. I think, in my opinion, it'll be prettier. What have you been doing today? I hope you're all happy, healthy, and well, and safe, and having fun. Hope you're having great weather. And we will. My daughter video chatted. My daughter, who's in a group home, they've now fixed it up so that she can video chat, and they went to a dance last night, so that was fun for her. So we've got this is what they served at their wedding. We've got our 3 bottles of wine, but I hate to say it, I think we're going to have to go with this one. And the last thing, I believe, is text. So let's pretend this Japanese writing is their wedding invitation to their friend in Japan. I think we can pretend that, but I think we also maybe need to make it smaller. Maybe we could just kind of do that. Or maybe across the bottom like this. Actually, that fits perfectly, so I think we're going to do that. So let's see, we've got something from the recycle bin, bottles or glass, and the bonus of 3 of something, a favorite food, wrapping paper, and text in a different alphabet. So there we go. And now that I'm thinking about it, no, it's not upside down, but there's a phone number on there. I guess that's phone number for the RSVP, okay? Let's pretend that. And so I believe this is just everything that I'm going to do. So I'm going to paste that down and paste this down, and we shall be done. It's kind of cute. Okay, I need my... Yeah, I just think that big salad is too big for this spread. And I didn't like the idea of cutting it, like, part of it off. I just don't think it would look as nice as what I'm doing now. Whoa. Alright. So we're going to put this like this. So they're having a duck derby to raise money for an agency that helps a lot of families who have kids with disabilities, and they helped us a lot when Bethany was first out of the hospital when she had her brain cancer surgery. She became disabled. She had to learn how to walk and sit up and talk and everything again. She was only 2 when it happened, but you know, she could already walk and sit up and feed herself and all that kind of stuff. She didn't talk that much because they think the tumor was impeding that. Plus she also had autism, so I think we'll do that. And they helped us a lot with getting like evaluations and financial help and stuff like that. So I think we're going to go to that. We're going to buy a few ducks and help other families in the process that have gone through similar things. Yes, so Bethany eventually did learn to talk when she was about 5. She could talk again. So, but she still has a very limited vocabulary, I guess you could say. Okay, so we're all done with this assignment number 24, and I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.